it. Let them start it. Huwag kayo mag-boss. Huwag kayo mag-boss muna. Get out from the boss. Go, place the sides. Let's do 50-50. 50-50 gamble. 50-50 gamble.
Join
There.
us.
Yes. Go. Okay, pulling. Okay, ilan yung 80? Okay, 90%. Go sa roof, guys. Go sa roof. You can go sa roof. Sa boss. If you're on the boss, go for the roof. Stay on the roof. Ready, big pull. 50%. Okay, let's go. Ready. Okay, you should
Na. 50% na. 50.
50%. 40%. Wait. 40%. Wait. Pag 30%. You go in, okay? Okay, ready. Big pull. Pull na. Big pull.
A generous payment.
Ako ba na? Ako na lang. Go back to base. Again, go back to base. Nice
Heart
time.
like morning dew. Healer
Dahil lang.
must protect oneself.
Destroy tower. Okay. Defend guys. Hold defend. Nagtawag ka. Tower before.
Grabe yung low.
Yes. Sakit yan. Okay, split up. We defend. Ready, big pull. Okay, keep pulling sa center. All on tail. Go.
Guys, card.
Look at card.
Morning dew.
Body block, Evan. Body block.
Healer must not hesitate.
Nice. Kasi nakamove sila. D1, don't forget your objective, please.
Ay, wait. Bulwark muna ako. Grabe naman. Gabing dev. Go!
Nice, good kill. Kill the healer. Mga healer. Look at the healer. Healer lahat. Defend first. E3, keep going sa mid. And miniflex, go for Goose. Ready, Goose? Okay, hair pulling, ready? Ay, wala pa. Okay, Evan, shield. We need shield. Sirim breeze, Evan. Sirim breeze.
Dito ako sa
Split up. Ready, big pull. Okay, may driver. Look at that driver. Okay, pulling next. On driver. On tail, all on tail. Kill. Go for kills.
Spring never ends.
Keep brawling. Look at the driver. Nice, big pull, mid gate, Evan, mid gate, look at mid gate. I'm dead. Nakahirap mga ito. Keep running.
Wait, nilalasin ako yung lima. Gabi.
Okay, tower damage yun.
May ano na.
Okay. DPS only, go for jungle, DPS only. Kanya yung mga 1 to 2 nameless lang. Okay, look at driver guys, look at driver, Evan. Nakamove sila. Tigarat.
I take petals instead.
Rata yung jungle. We have 0 jungle, huh? Okay, split up. Yes. Wait. They two scattered. They are two scattered. A3, pull back na A3. Pull back. Pull back to defend. Careful, careful, careful. They're pulling. Okay, ready, big pull. Pulling next. On driver.
Kanina pa ako, hindi ako mabubuhay.
Driver. Untailed, all untailed. Kill. Yep. Silang. We're doing good. Ata. Damage natin. May...
Pwede ano,
Yep.
isang 5 man is...
Okay. Wait. We're getting web here. No-wipe kami sa defend.
Okay.
We're struggling on defending. Okay, wag na say 15. Okay. Ito na mahirap na. A3, you can go with Red Goose, A3. You respawn from bottom outpost. If you're dead, respawn on bottom outpost, A3. The rest defend. A3 and miniflex. Look at driver, hindi na mag-sprint, check ko. A3, go for Red Goose, A3. Pasabi if nasa mahirap ko.
Dalawa.
We are dying, we are getting wet. Napupulat na kami sa death team. Start ng... Yeah, full up rin kami. Almost half wipe kami. Again, full up kami. Ganda nung to, individual shit nila. Sapat nila. Yeah, they have better gear set. Sakit na nung Okay lang. Keep fighting. Nandiyan na kayo sa Goose. Okay, hair pulling now.
Dito.
Hair pulling now. Focus damage. Level 8 na sila agad. Martial... Ano ba? Moral buff. Level 8. Okay, they're buffing na. Sprinting. Okay, everyone go back to blue 3. Sa rooftop. Go rooftop. Go move sa rooftop. Keep moving sa rooftop.
Baba ako sa sobrang ganda.
Keep going rooftop.
Kami.
Okay, nag-antihil, careful. Okay lang, natalo naman half time nila eh. Half time natalo naman sila. Okay lang. Ready, big pull. Death team. Ready, big pull. Poppy flip up. Look at driver. Pulling now. 3, 2, 1. Pulling now. Pulling. Okay, next pull please. Next pull. Yeah, sila. Okay lang, defend na yun. Huwag namin pa deliver. Passport. Lancer if you can, Lancer if you can, Lancer. If you're dead, respawn from the outpost. Okay, ready Goose, Red Goose. Sige. Red Goose na kaya, Apple?
Yes.
Okay, hair pulling now. Bottom outpost, Ren. Respawn from bottom outpost.
Uy, napatay ko ito. Yun. Okay, goose lang.
Okay, they're going for jungle. They're disengaging. Go for jungle. Contest. Go for jungle. Miniflex, focus on the goose. Red goose.
Grabe nga ni.
Anyway, mga better gears mga ito eh. Sige lang.
Yes.
Try your best pa rin. Copy flip up. Try to seal jungles. Okay, get out. Okay lang. Keep fighting. Yeah, last bella. Grabbing full nila. Last bella.
Ito ka laging may kasamang gasbela.
Silang. Okay, look at 3 driver. Let's play it. 4 minutes. Don't push sa baba. Go sa rooftop. Go rooftop. You're getting choked, guys. Don't go sa choke point. Go for rooftop. Go for rooftop, everyone. Go for rooftop. Need help me. Walang defense. Go for rooftop, everyone. Go over the rooftop. Wag sa mid platform. Don't go through sa mid platform. Four minutes. We defend, ready?
Must not hit.
I need help you, ready? Until, okay, pulling now, ready? On three driver. Three driver.
Cheater din.
Until on the driver. Go drive, you can.
Boundless of the
Ma'am,
blue.
awit.
Ayan yan.
Bakit?
Nakakain na yung iba,
So,
diba?
tala. Yan, big pull. Lahat big pull. Kaya pa ba?
Kaya pa yan.
Wall. Ang kaya mo, wall.
Pero nagkasama pala. Kaya pala. Pero parang winner ko. Isig.
Okay lang, 2 minutes. Oh, nahirapan naman sila.
Nahirapan din naman yan.
Parang yung mga doon, natalo sila sa halftime.
Sino ba nakaklip dyan? Pahingi.
Nice try. Try na mag-Q ulit. Malam.
Kaya pa
3
ba?
party again. Try.
Go pass agad.
3 party fast.
Or sa loob na lang tayo mag...
Oo, doon na lang sa loob.